Yeah. She's just a little bit. You were okay, honey.
I mean to stop it.
Yeah.
Prosper.
Thank you.
Good job, Judah.
Oh, you kiss the cheek, and she goes.
I kiss her cheek and she says, "Thank you."
Yep.
Baby.
Good job, Juju.
Oh.
That's gonna make it a brain.
Yeah.
Juju, can you give her a little kissy? A little minty kissy? So you have a lifesaver in your mouth. You want to rub her head
on her
again?
chin? Can you give her a kiss on her chin?
Can you rub her head again? It's so nice. Juju, you are a good big brother.
Baby. Come on, baby. No.
You big brother. She's so lucky.
You're a big brother who messed up too hard on you.
Honey, he's learning. He's doing a good job.
And I do better because I'm bigger.
You've
know what?
You've had a bit more practice because
You know
had
what, Prosper?
Judah when he
You
was
are a
little.
wonderful big brother.
And I do better.
You
I
both
do
do a
better.
great job.
I do
You're,
better.
you know,
You're
I
teaching
do.
Juju to be a good
she
big
loves
brother.
you both
Mm-hmm.
absolutely wonderfully.
Hi, baby.
She is so happy to meet you guys.
Baby, you're so happy. We bring them home.
Yes, honey, we'll bring her home.
Can I keep her?
No.
Oh.
Can I bring you home too?
Him.
Oh,
Can I
good.
keep you?
No.
Oh.
We bring baby home.
Yes.
That's smart.
And you do my hair. Like this.
She loves you.
But this is real.
She's been waiting to meet you.
Look at her little ears.
She has pretty ears, doesn't she?
I'm a Billy boy. I'm a Billy boy. It means I'm a silly boy.
Oh, silly.
Mommy, just bring baby home.
Yes, we'll bring baby home.
Billy,
Can I keep baby here?
no.
Oh. Are you sure? Bless you. Bless you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's Daddy doing?
Bring baby home.
Yes.
Can we keep baby here? I keep Juju.
Maybe if you keep baby
Juju?
and Juju together.
I keep Juju and baby?
No.
No. No. I keep baby Juju and Prosper?
No.
No. Oh my goodness, I'm losing. I'm losing.
I love her.
I do too.
I love you, baby. I love you, baby, too much more than you do.
And don't forget it. Prosper loves you most.